Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisha, and today I am bringing you another cleaning motivational video. Today's video is another power hour video focusing mainly in my kitchen. A lot of cleaning motivation and a lot of thoughts going through my head during this entire cleaning process. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it even though my mind was just elsewhere. If you guys are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Nisha and I'm a stay-at-home mom of 3. I hope you guys enjoy this type of content, and if you guys do, please give me a thumbs up on this video, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Now let's get into it.
Got time for our thoughts to rise. Now it's going into overdrive. Still no message past my bedtime. I am trying not to analyze. On my phone, waiting on. You're not coming by. Don't let me down. Don't let me fall. Just stay around. Don't want us falling back to that. You're stepping out. I see you go. I'm crying out. Well, you're too far, so you don't hear it.
Like I said before, my mind was just gone this night and I just did not feel like hand washing that little bit of dishes. Yeah, I could have easily just hand washed them and stuck them in the dishwasher to dry. This night I'm like, you know what, let me go ahead and load this dishwasher, get it out of the way so the way I can just get on with this cleaning and stuff, because I really wanted to get it done. Let me know in the comments, is there something that you just absolutely have to clean after being overwhelmed with it and just needing something to do so the way you can just sit and think? Let me know in the comments down below if I'm not the only one that do that.
I see you go. I'm crying out. Well, you're too far, so you don't need it. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
I think I can say, honestly, that the most fun I had cleaning my entire kitchen was cleaning off my stove. Yeah, it's possibly like one of the most neglected areas of the kitchen in my house. But like after I got to like spraying this cleaner on here and scrubbing it down, oh my goodness, wiping away all that grease and junk or whatever, it was so satisfying because it came so clean afterwards.
This world can be so cruel. We have our hands tied, they treat us like we're fools. We're underestimated and boxed in. All judgmental labels spread us thin. We can run away to another place. No need to worry, you'll be my safety. We can run away to another place. No need to worry, escape reality. Escape reality. No need to worry, escape reality. Escape reality. Oh, we can take this.
Kind of sad at this next part because I forgot to hit the play button when I started cleaning my refrigerator. It is stainless steel, so of course I'm spraying the stuff on there and getting it off. Yeah, I did finish cleaning it off. I did sweep and mop, and my camera didn't film for that because I ran out of memory. The ending results of everything was very satisfying. So I really hope everyone enjoyed this video. You found any type of cleaning motivation out of this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel, as it will help me grow. And I'll talk to you all in my next video.
No need to worry, you'll be my safety. We can run away to another place. No need to worry, escape reality.